In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the world of Node.js JavaScript, focusing specifically on the use and understanding of arrow functions. So, what are arrow functions? Well, arrow functions are a more concise syntax for writing function expressions in JavaScript. They utilize a new token, equals greater than, that looks like a fat arrow. Here we have a regular function called regular function, which simply logs a message to the console when called. Now, let's see how we can express the same function using arrow function syntax. Here we have an arrow function called arrow function. As you can see, instead of using the function keyword, we use equals greater than to denote this as an arrow function. Now, let's talk about some of the differences between arrow functions and regular functions. The first major difference is the way this keyword is handled. In a regular function, this refers to the object that called the function. But in an arrow function, this refers to the object that the function is defined within. Another difference is that arrow functions don't have their own arguments object. That means you can't use arguments.length, arguments I, or any other arguments object properties within an arrow function. Now, let's see an example where an arrow function can be particularly beneficial. Here, we're using an arrow function within the map method to double the value of each element in the numbers array. And there we have it. The array is doubled with the help of our arrow function. So, to conclude, arrow functions offer a more concise syntax and a different way of handling this. They're particularly handy when you want to write short function expressions. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in understanding the use and benefits of arrow functions in Node.js JavaScript. Keep practicing and happy coding.